Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right. I just want to be sure because I'm trying to turn on the recording software so that I'll be able to drop the video
Okay,
for
sir.
them. Divine, you're welcome. Michael, you're welcome. So let's continue. Dictionary. What is a dictionary? A dictionary is one of the array that we have in Python. Please, Michael, mute your mic. Sorry, mute your mic. It's one of the array in we have in
Okay.
Python. But difference between dictionary and every other kind of array is that dictionaries is unordered, all right, and dictionary is mutable. It means that you don't know the position of ID is unordered. By now, you should understand that syntax. Is unordered is what? Okay, so wait a they are studying your school, right? You came from a family, you came from a village, your location has an address. Let's say you are writing a program to collect this your information, this your data. Do you understand? So you need to declare something like, or I called your robot. It's more complex. It make more sense than set, tuple, list, and other kind of what array. So let's say I declare equals to, I call my curly brace. Now, one thing you need to know about a dictionary is having a key and a what? A value. Value called dictionary are key value pair. So you access the value with the key. All right. So this is just a syntax I passed for you there. So let me comment your first name. What's your first name? What's your first name? Is anybody there?
Michael, Michael.
Michael. All right. So you have to pass a comma if you want to get another one. Njoku. Are you the one that acted Black Panther?
Okay.
You know there's why Njoku in that film. So address. Abi, you've
Okay.
not watched it.
Okay. I'll watch it
So
now.
address, let's say Redeemers. Okay, Babcock Abi, Ogun State. Alright, this is your information. Let's say I want to collect another item. I want to collect something like age. I want to collect something like age. So the age, you can see that age is what? Let's say I want to get your hobby. Reading and sports. Dancing, reading, and what? Sin dictionary. Now, if I want to call this dictionary here, all right, I'll just come here and pass print my statements. All the information will come out. Are you seeing them? First name Michael, last name Ijoku, address Babcock. Now let's say I want to get only address. If I want to get only address, I'll just come here and say person. Remember I said the person. If I say person or address, it will not work. Except I come here, I pass in here, then I pass in the address. This is what we used to get index. What? The address. So I target the address with the what? With the key. Hello. I target the address with the key.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is address is a key. This one is a what? Is a value. So a dictionary is always having a key value what? Pair. Let's say I want to get something like the hobby. Alright. If I run it, so that is how to target the
Yes, sir.
item in a dictionary. Now, the syntax I gave you, I said, okay. So if dictionary is mutable, it means that I can change item inside my words, my dictionary. I can change item inside my dictionary. So if I want to change Michael to something like, so if I want to change Michael to something like divine, I will call my dictionary name, which is person. So I have first name equals, all right, person, run print person. Look at what I'm going to have. If you check my dictionary now, my first name has been turned to what? To divine when you get to this particular line. And I want to put you trees. I want to add it. So how do you add? How do you add item to your words, to your dictionary? So you add item to your dictionary by using the words, the key, and the words, getting the value. Let's say I said I want to add something like let's say I want to add a color, the color of Michael. I'll call my dictionary name. So I will bring in a new, I'll have to target a key. Let's say the key is going to be, so if I come here and I print my dictionary, which is what? Person. So I'm going to be having, see what I'm going to have. I see that color is added. I have the key and the words and the value. So you can also target only color. All you just have to do is call your dictionary name, print. Your dictionary name is person. What's this? Dictionary name is person. Then I want to only print it. I will have color words, executing words, yeah. So that's how to add item to your word, to your dictionary. Now the question now, how do you remove item to your dictionary? All these are the characteristics or mutability of a dictionary. All right. How do I method? Let's say remove item. Remove item. All right. So please, I hope you know the, okay, let me just put an asterisk there, because I will not be seeing it's printing out. Let's say remove item. Let's say I want to remove something like the last, or let's say I want to remove age. I'll just come here and said print. All right. Let's say person. Then I'll pass it what I want to remove. Let's say I want to remove. Michael, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So if I run this program, you can see that it's bringing out age of what? Age of 30. It's not running. Before you now print out, you run your method first. This is the method though. Then I now print out my entire dictionary. Look at what I have. Did you see age here? There's no age here again. Age has been what? I want to remove address. I'll just pass in words. Address. Remember I said you address a dictionary with the key. If I hobby. So I'll just come here and passwords. Hobby. So if dictionary gave us another option to remove or add item to dictionary, you can use del. All right. I call my dictionary name. All right. Then what I want to remove, the index. All right. I'll call the index. Last name Unjoku. These are the only item. Every other thing has been what? Has been removed. Please, are you with me? The number of items, I gave you guys a method last in all the classes, because these are C array that we are still looking at. Because all those programs here, all those executions have been what? They have changed my dictionary. So if I say print inside these brackets, I have len. So here I pass in my dictionary name called what? Called person. So if I run it now, you can see I'm having two. It's one item. This is a key and this is a damn one item. So 0, 1. So the array is going to be 2, 1 and what? Now you can also loop item in your dictionary. So what we have access to some things. Let me comment this remove out. Let's say I want to loop my dictionary. You know, if I run it now, it will be more. Now I have 6 because the remove items are what they have been added. Let's look at array dictionary what loop. So I want to loop my dictionary. My dictionary name is what? This person, right? And I want to print out it will okay. So how do I get that done? I'm going to use my for variable name in array name. This is syntax. Then you put your column, then you print out your variable words. All right, this is a syntax. So let me comment it out. So how do I do that now? This time around, my array, I'm looking at the items. That's going to be person.what the item is a method that you can use to get the values and the key. Then I'm now going to print out print x. So if you're cool, address Babcock University, Ogun State, age 30, hobby dancing, reading, and what sport. Color is what is yellow. Hello, hello, is anybody there? That's how to loop the item in your dictionary. So what to look at another concept that is very common with dictionary, which is called XYZ Nigeria, XYZ company, or you are employed as a programmer in a particular establishment, and your boss came and said, I want to know the name of some certain people in certain departments. Are you getting it? The manager of, let's say, 6 departments in your establishment. Do you get it? They can even tell you writing code. They have it stored, so because Python is used for data analysis and data science. All right. So you want to bring out your result and even print it out for them to what to see. So there's something in Python called nested what? Dictionary. Nested dictionary. What is a nested dictionary? A scenario where you're having dictionary, you have 4 dictionary, 5 dictionary, 3 dictionaries, 3 persons, 5 persons, 10 persons. So in that case, I need to have what I called a nested dictionary. Will be a dictionary. Curly brace, this is a dictionary. Now inside this XYZ, they said they want to get the manager of IT, the manager of, so you pass that as your dictionary. Manager, I'm going to say manager HR. Manager HR, get it here. Let's say the manager of HR is Michael. All right. The last name of, sorry, let's say the address of this particular manager is going to come from, let me use the same address. Okay, so let's say we asked to get the age of this manager. The age is 30. Then let's say we also asked to, I think it's okay, we also asked to get the person's qualification. All right, so this is a dictionary. Then I remember I said manager of IT, Divine, what's your surname? E-O-M what?
E-O-M-U.
E-O-M what?
E-O-M-U.
M-U. Are you M-U? Are you okay? You're the one who redeem.
I-K-E-O-M-U.
Okay. Okay, you're the one who redeem.
I-K-E-O-M-U.
Okay. Is it Covenant? As in, which school are you?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay, Nnamdi Azikiwe.
Okay, Nnamdi Azikiwe. I think to spell that name.
University.
Nnamdi Azikiwe University. Nnamdi Azikiwe University. Let's say the Nnamdi Azikiwe University. Let's say the age is something like 10. 10. Then the qualification, let's say your qualification is BSc. Alright, then we want to get another person again. I said the HRO of, sorry, the manager of what? Emmanuel. That's my name. Emmanuel O. I'm the manager of sales. Address 23 Adebayo Road, Ekiti. Then age 50. Then qualification MSc. The dictionary I'm having
Yes,
here
sir.
now is manager. Is it manager? The major dictionary I'm having here is X, Y, or Z. You can see that X, Y, Z is a, now when you're having a dictionary inside a dictionary, this dictionary now is a key. Please, you get it. This dictionary is a key. Everything you are seeing inside there is value. So So if I want to print out this now, I can just say, okay, print giant string here. So if I want to go the other way, I told you guys, for manage, so that you know it's not always alphabet in xyz dot items. In xy there's item. If I now say print it's going to come outside in I'm having now manager. You can see his own content there. Manager HRO, manager HRO, manager IT, and manager what? Sales. Let's say I want to get only, let me pass in something here. Print quotes. Let's say I want to get, they ask you a question, just give me only HRO, print, my dictionary name is XYZ. Alright, then I will pass in the key. You can see that H address backup university, Ogun State, age 30, qualification, MSc. Please, do you understand? Do you understand? System. Divine, are you with a system? Coding along, or you are just listening?
I'm writing down.
Okay. Michael, what about you? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can see that I have access to manager what? Manager. I just call manager what? Sys to be attached to it. So you can see that I have that is a nested dictionary. Sometimes they may ask you to look for the people in that department. If peradventure now I want to get people that are under something like HRO department, let me just do one of it so that you understand. Let's say dictionary manager. So let's say HRO staff, I have something like this. Let's say in this HRO staff, let me just copy this so that I won't be writing code again and again. So this one I need a comma here, that's why it's flagging error there. HRO staff name, let's say job, power line wood, John Doe, power line OND. See what I'm having now. So if I want to get this guy here, if I want to get, can be saying equal to, so I can just only access it from here. I can just come here and say okay, manager HRO staff, give me the HRO, then this one should be HRO what, should have it now. This is the person's what, information. All right, that's the person's information. Please, any question? I'm going to give you an assignment while I continue with my class. Assignment. So you are going to take this as your assignment while I proceed with my class. So can I continue?
Yes. Sir, can I ask a question?
Okay.
I suppose my network is somehow
I'm already recording now. You can see my recording is on.
Okay.
My recording is on. So. All right, so the next thing now, we are going to go to a different concept. We are through with array. Go back and revise what you have been taught. So we are going to function, and please do not miss class going forward. Function dot in programming, that if you don't understand it, it will become a problem for you, but it will not be a problem for you by God's grace.
Amen.
A function is a group of statements that perform a particular word task. Look at all those things that you are seeing, that you have a JavaScript library, you have a Python. They say Python is used for game, Python is used for data science, Python is used. Now, all of these things that they use Python for is because of use of modules, and modules are made up of what? Functions, classes, and the rest. So if you get to understand object-oriented syntax in programming, you will be in a very, very good shape. A function is declared in Python with what? With def. All right. Then followed by your function what? The name of your what? Function is your statement. All right. After writing your statement, you want to trigger your function. So what you do now, you call your function. You call your function name. Let me give you an example of a function. Let's say I'm writing a function to greet. So what am I saying? Say as a variable now. Say as a variable good evening. Good evening, Divine. It's your fault. Your program is actually working. It's just that your function has not been what? Be called. And please, another thing to notice again, it is wrong for you to now come here and press save. You can see it will tell you there is an error, and that error is what we call indentation, a tab. Then if I want to run this function now, I want to trigger this function, I'm going to call the function name, which is greet, bracket open and close. If I run this, you can see that I have my function will be printed out, greet. All right. I also print, because I didn't run to, you have to pass a print statement, what? Divine. Now, all right, it's not that I can carry just only that. I can pass in multiple statements inside. I can pass multiple statements equals to 30, 20, n2 is equals to 31 plus what? Plus what? N2. Then inside this place, I pass in the result. Now, something will happen here. The result is what? My result, Abby. Pass result there. If I run it, let's see what's going to happen. I get stats because they are not of the same type. Are you seeing? It can only concatenate or string, not what? Integer. So for you, that will overwrite that particular error. You can see that I'm back to my words. I'm back to my shape. One thing about programming, you have to go and copy code, but just understand the code that you copy. So result, I use the other method. You can see that a function is declared with what? With def, right? Two, a function you follow by a function name, right? 3, what you need to take home, random brackets and a what? And a column, which is this and this, right? And a what? A column, Abby? A column. I'm just saying this so that to be easy for you to comprehend. Then the last thing, a function body or a group of what? Statements, followed by a function body or a group of what? A group of statements. So where is the group of statements? The group of statements are these. These are the group of statements. So this is the what you need to know. Please, I give an assignment to ensure you do the assignment.
No, sir.
Divine, I hope you are not
No, sir.
confused. So please try to do this assignment for me. Let me copy it and drop it on the platform.
Okay.
Sorry.
Thank you.